Let's talk about overtime. Overtime pay typically means time and a half, which means for all our hours over standard time, straight time, we get paid 1.5 times our normal rate. Let's say someone works these hours on a Monday through Saturday job. Well, they're not getting paid overtime for every day that they go over 8 hours, although some companies are very generous and they do that. If you work more than 8 hours in a day, you get paid overtime. But most companies, if they pay overtime, they're going to say anything over 40 hours in a week gets paid time and a half. So if we total these hours, punch those in, and I get 55.25. I'm going to convert that to a decimal. Does that look right? Okay, 55.25 hours. Now, if we say, what's this person's net pay? We're going to say 55.25 hours were the total hours. We're going to take their 40 hours, that's what we would call straight time, 40 hours, and let's say they make $7 an hour. Well, they're going to get paid their regular pay, $7, times the first 40 hours. So for their straight time, their first 40 hours, they're going to get paid 7 times 40. And then we're going to say how many hours over 40 did they work. We would subtract 40 from their total hours. And that would be 15.25 hours. And we'd say they're going to get paid $7 an hour, but they're getting paid time and a half. So we're going to multiply that times 150%, or times 1.5. So punch in 15.25 hours times $7 times 1.5 equals, and we'd round it to the nearest penny. What do we get? 160.13. 160, it's 0.125. 160.13, make sure you get your decimal in the right place. And then we would add those two figures together, and we'd say whatever that is, 440.13. That would be the total for the net pay for this person for that week.